welcome to my channel Dr. Deepa Darkes NEET Biology, and in today's session we are going to study about one of the most important topic for the NEET upcoming exam, that is dark reaction. And in dark reaction here we mainly discuss about the important and key features of the C3 and C4 cycles. All these key features mainly आपके डिस्कस किए जा रहे हैं फॉर योर ऑब्जेक्टिव एग्जाम दैट इज नीट 2020। यहाँ पे आप देखिए बिफोर बिगनिंग विद द सेशन फर्स्ट आई विल प्रोवाइड द आंसर्स ऑफ यस्टरडे सेशन। सो जो आंसर्स हैं आपके लास्ट सेशंस के 3 क्वेश्चंस थे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, फॉर सेकेंड क्वेश्चन करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, एंड फॉर थर्ड क्वेश्चन करेक्ट आंसर आपका है डी, दैट इज ऑल ऑफ दीज था आपका डी ऑप्शन। ठीक है। सेकेंडली स्टूडेंट्स, नीट के एग्जाम्स को देखते हुए ओनली फ्यू डेज वी आर हैविंग इन अवर हैंड, सो फॉर दैट पर्पस एक न्यू सीरीज भी स्टार्ट की है जिसमें मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन यूनिट वाइज एंड चैप्टर वाइज मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे। सो 2 वीडियोस ऑलरेडी अपलोड हो चुके हैं उसके, मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम ग्लाइकोलिसिस एज वेल एज फ्रॉम द यूनिट इकोलॉजी, तो आप उन वीडियोस के थ्रू भी जा सकते हैं। क्लियर है। नाउ वी कम टुवर्ड्स द डार्क रिएक्शन। प्रीवियस सेशन में हमने स्टडी किया था लाइट रिएक्शन, दैट द रिएक्शन विच इज कंप्लीटेड इन ग्रेना पार्ट ऑफ द क्लोरोप्लास्ट। लाइट रिएक्शन जब हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं तो लाइट रिएक्शन में प्रीडोमिनेंटली आपने स्टडी किया था वाटर मॉलिक्यूल अंडरगोज इन फोटोसिंथेसिस एंड 2 पिगमेंट सिस्टम स्टडी किया है। बट व्हेन वी डिस्कस अबाउट द डार्क रिएक्शन, so dark reaction means commonly the reaction is called as Blackman's reaction because first time scientist Blackman ने इस concept को provide किया था। After that जब आप dark reaction पढ़ रहे हैं, so this reaction is also called as light independent reaction. That means whatever reactions are take place in dark reaction, those biochemical reactions are not dependent on the presence of sunlight. So reaction may or may not be take place in presence or absence of the light. So that thing you remember, that's why it is called as light independent reaction. Secondly, जब आप reactions को study कर रहे हैं, so site of dark reaction you remember, the dark reaction is a biochemical pathway, and the site for dark reaction you remember, the site for dark reaction is stroma of the chloroplast. When we study about dark reaction, so carbon dioxide you remember, basically fixation of carbon dioxide is called as dark reaction, and that carbon dioxide get convert or fixed in the form of one molecule of glucose. For that either we go through the C3 cycle or for C4 cycle. What is the C3 and C4? C3 means when the fixation of carbon dioxide is take place, and is carbon dioxide during the fixation of carbon dioxide अगर 4 स्टेबल प्रोडक्ट फिक्सेशन का 3 कार्बन कंपाउंड फॉर्म होता है, सो दोज प्लांट्स आर कॉल्ड एज C3 एंड द साइकिल ऑफ CO2 फिक्सेशन इज कॉल्ड एज C3 साइकिल। एंड इन केस ऑफ C4 साइकिल द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फिक्सेशन इज फॉर्म, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज 4 कार्बन कंपाउंड इज फॉर्म होता है, एंड इफ द 4 कार्बन कंपाउंड ऑक्सैलोएसिटिक एसिड फॉर्म होता है, इन दैट केस यू रिमेंबर plants are called as C4 plant and the cycle is called C4. So what are the important differences के फॉर्म में ही याद रखिए, because these all are the important topic, important statements and important topics हैं आपके for the upcoming NEET exam. So you go as it is through the revision purpose basically. So first when we come towards the C3 cycle, C3 cycle you remember it is provided by Kelvin, Melvin and Benson, but the major work performed by Kelvin, and that's why the cycle is also called as Kelvin cycle. When we study about the Kelvin cycle or C3 cycle, 3 phases आप लोगों को clear है। Carboxylation phase is there, second is a reduction phase, and third is a regeneration phase. So when we study about the Kelvin cycle, so most important question for me, what is the first कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एक्सेप्टर। सो इन C3 साइकिल CO2 एक्सेप्टर आप याद रखें, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एक्सेप्टर इज रिब्यूलोज 1,5 बाइफॉस्फेट दैट कॉमनली रिफर्ड एज RUBP, एंड ये RUBP आप याद रखिए, दिस इज द 5 कार्बन कंपाउंड। and at a cycle when begins, so for every molecule of carbon dioxide, one molecule of RuBP is entered. Now when RuBP enter in cycle and it absorb the carbon dioxide, so this RuBP get convert into a stable product. So what is the stable product of Kelvin cycle? Kelvin cycle और C3 cycle का stable product याद रखिए. The first stable product of the C3 cycle is phosphoglyceraldehyde और 3PGA आप कह रहे हैं. So as it is, you remember this statement, the 3 carbon compound 3PGA is the first stable product. The enzyme which responsible for carboxylation process. Carboxylation के लिए again you remember Rubisco. Rubisco when involved in C3 cycle, so it only shows the carboxylation activity. Whereas when we study about photorespiration, so in photorespiration, Rubisco is responsible for oxygenation activity. So here you remember, Rubisco is one of the important enzyme which plays significant role in carboxylation of the RuBP. Now one another important is there the chloroplast dimorphism. Universally the leaves of C3 plant only show the similar kind of chloroplast, that is a simple chloroplast, and that's why we say chloroplast dimorphism completely absent in the leaves of C3 plant. Secondly, आप यहाँ पे याद रखिए, this is one of the most important question, that how many time Kelvin cycle is take place for the formation of glucose molecule. So for the formation of one glucose molecule आप याद रखिए, ये one glucose लिखा हुआ है और I think ये सभी को clear होगा. For the formation of one glucose molecule, 6 time Kelvin cycle is take place or 6 turns of the Kelvin cycle are responsible for the formation of one molecule of glucose. Now students, most important part आपका है कि how many molecules are enter in Kelvin cycle and what is the product of Kelvin cycle. जब आप ये study कर रहे हैं, so you remember 6 molecule of carbon dioxide, 18 ATP and 12 NADPH are enter in cycle. When this statement you remember study, तो एक part आपको बिल्कुल याद रखना है कि ये आप किसके लिए study कर रहे हैं. This you study for the 6 cycles of Kelvin or 6 turns of the Kelvin cycle. Sometimes the question asks for the 1 turn of the Kelvin cycle. So if 1 turn or 1 Kelvin cycle के लिए question आता है, so in every cycle, Kelvin cycle, 1 molecule of carbon dioxide, 3 molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADPH are enter. So while reading question आपको जब आप solve करेंगे paper, and if suppose any questions comes from this side, so while reading you keenly read and properly and accurately read the question. तो कभी कभी ये भी होता है कि बनते हुए भी misleading के through हम questions को wrong करते हैं. So not to use that kind of silly mistake in your exams. So these are the some key points you remember for the C3 cycle. Now we come towards the C4 cycle. C4 cycles आप देखिए, commonly the cycle is called as H and Slack cycle. First कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एक्सेप्टर जब आप स्टडी कर रहे हैं, so C4 साइकिल में CO2 एक्सेप्टर इज अ 3 कार्बन कंपाउंड that is called as phosphoenol pyruvate or PEP. So PEP is the first carbon dioxide acceptor. This PEP absorb the carbon dioxide and get convert into stable product. So the first stable product for the C4 cycle you remember OAA or oxaloacetic acid. ऑक्जेलोएसिटिक एसिड क्रेब्स साइकिल में यूज किया है हमने टर्म एक बार. एंड फॉस्फोइनॉल पाइरुवेट आपने कहाँ पे पढ़ा है? इट इज इन द सेकेंड लास्ट रिएक्शन ऑफ ग्लाइकोलिसिस. हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं कि फॉस्फोइनॉल पाइरुवेट इज फॉर्म. जो न्यू स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो न्यू स्टूडेंट्स क्रेब्स साइकिल से रिलेटेड वीडियो, ग्लाइकोलिसिस से रिलेटेड वीडियोस को एक बार जाके फिर से देख सकते हैं. नाउ यहाँ पर अगर हम एंजाइम को स्टडी करते हैं तो एंजाइम्स यहाँ पे देखिए, in case of C3 only one enzyme is required, Rubisco, but in case of C4 cycle students ये again आपको clear होगा. Cranch anatomy is an identical feature of C4 plant and due to Cranch anatomy 2 types of chloroplast is present. In mesophyll different chloroplast is present and bundle sheet show the entirely different chloroplast. So that's why आप देखिए in mesophyll one important class of enzyme is there that is commonly called as peptase or it is called PEP carboxylase. But when we study about bundle sheath, so in bundle sheath again you remember Rubisco, and this is the reason that the C4 cycle is begins in mesophyll. So mesophyll show the carboxylation via C4 cycle, whereas in bundle sheath, in addition to C4 cycle, bundle sheath cells show the C3 cycle. So that's why when we study which of the plants are most efficient for CO2 fixation, so you remember the plant with C4 cycle or C4 plant are most efficient for the carbon dioxide fixation. ठीक है. Now Crange anatomy or dimorphic chloroplast. So dimorphism in chloroplast or Crange anatomy feature of C4 plant. What is dimorphism? Dimorphism का meaning है the presence of two type of chloroplast. So in presence of two type of chloroplast जब आप study कर रहे हैं, so in mesophyll cells you remember normal granule chloroplast is there, whereas in bundle sheath cells agranule chloroplast is present, or in chloroplast grana is completely absent, only stroma is present in bundle sheath chloroplast. So this much important things you remember for the C3 and C4 cycle. Now we come towards the pathway or cycles. How does these cycles are take place in plants? So first we come towards the C3 cycle. So students, let's begin with C3 cycle. Already हम पढ़ चुके हैं. C3 cycle is called as Calvin cycle. Now we study about how many phases, in how many phases C3 cycle is completed. Clearly आपको देखिए यहाँ पे 1, 2 and 3 exact these are the cycles. This C3 cycle from NCERT. So here you remember 3 phases of C3 cycles are there. 3 phases में देखिए first phase of C3 cycle is called as or Calvin cycle carboxylation. Second phase is reduction and third phase is regeneration. Carboxylation phase is based on the utility of Rubisco enzyme, and the first CO2 acceptor ribulose 1,5 biphosphate absorb the molecule of carbon dioxide and then it undergoes in carboxylation. Upon carboxylation, RUBP will convert into or stable in the form of 3-phosphoglycerate or 3-phosphoglyceric acid or 3-PGA भी कह रहे हैं, and this 3 carbon compound, this molecule is 3 carbon compound. From one molecule of RUBP you remember 2 molecules of 3-PGA are formed. Now this 3-PGA undergoes in reduction. Reduction means the phase in which the formation of hexose sugar or 6 carbon sugar is take place from the 3 carbon sugar or 3 carbon phosphoglyceric acid. During reduction, a number of reactions are take place, but here we only use the summarized cycle. So according to those reactions, the triose phosphate or 3-PGA undergoes in the synthesis of one molecule of glucose, and that glucose gradually stored in the form of sucrose as well as starch. During the phase of reaction, that part you remember for your objective exam, that the ATP and NADPH both are used in which phase of C3 cycle. So here you remember the reduction phase is mainly utilized the ATP as well as NADPH, and then the triose phosphate reduces to the hexose sugar. Now we come towards the regeneration phase. Regeneration phase का meaning है the phase in which remaining triose sugar molecules will participate in the formation of 4 carbon 5 carbon sugar, and then finally they lead to the regeneration of RUBP, one of the most complex phase of the C3 cycle. And during that phase, xylulose 5-phosphate, erythrose 5-phosphate, pseudoheptulose 7-phosphate, a number of sugars are formed, and finally all these sugars are responsible for the regeneration of ribulose 1,5-phosphate. Only a single molecule of ATP is used for per cycle, and regeneration phase, तो for objective purpose you remember regeneration phase आपका किसको involve कर रहा है? It involve the breakdown of ATP into ADP and inorganic phosphate. So this in this way you remember that at what phase ABC के फॉर्म में आता है, जहाँ पे 1, 2, 3 लिखा है, and the name of the phases are So one means carboxylation, second means reduction, third means you remember regeneration. Secondly, the phase where ATP and NADPH is used, that is reduction. Only consumption of ATP then means regeneration phase is there. So this all as well as whatever we summarized in previous half, that you remember for the C3 cycle. Okay, now we come towards the C4 cycle. C4 cycle predominantly take place in C4 plant. Most common example of C4 plants are maize, barley and sugarcane. So you remember examples also. And when we come towards the C4 cycle, so two separate cells we draw here. Cycle is begins in mesophyll, clear, and then with the help of plasmodesmata, C4 acid or 4 carbon sugar, 4 carbon acid or 4 carbon compound, that 4 carbon compound transported from mesophyll towards the bundle sheath. In mesophyll cell only C4 cycle is take place, whereas in bundle sheath cell along with C4, C3 cycle is also appear because the Rubisco enzyme is also present in bundle sheath cell. Now we understand how does the C4 cycle is take place. The first CO2 acceptor phosphoenol pyruvate is present in mesophyll cell. This PEP or phosphoenol pyruvate in presence of pepcase or PEP carboxylase absorb the molecule of CO2 and the 3 carbon compound will convert or stabilize in the form of C4 acid or C4 carbon compound oxaloacetic acid. In itself bundle mesophyll cells, the oxaloacetic acid get convert into more transportable form, that is malic acid, and then from here the C4 acid is transported towards the bundle sheath via plasmodesmata, and in bundle sheath this 4 carbon C4 acid or 4 carbon compound malic acid undergoes in decarboxylation. So during decarboxylation, one molecule of carbon dioxide is releases and the malic acid or C4 acid get convert into C3 acid, pyruvic acid that is, and the CO2 which is releases, that carbon dioxide is again absorbed by RUBP and the second cycle आपका begins होता है और parallel to C4 cycle, C3 cycle is begins only in a bundle sheath cell. Now this C3 acid or pyruvic acid, in the diagram of NCERT, the names of the C3 and C4 acids are not provided, only C4 acid and C3 acid is provided, but you remember the name for your upcoming NEET exam. So from bundle sheath C3 acid, pyruvic acid again transported towards the mesophyll, and in mesophyll this pyruvic acid again undergoes in a regeneration phase. Regeneration of PEP is again take place. So here also you remember carboxylation take place in presence of pepcase enzyme, and regeneration is what? Regeneration is mainly responsible for the formation of PEP from the pyruvic acid. This is the one and only reaction where the ATP is consumed. So in this way you remember the C4 cycle. Pepcase की presence के लिए question है. So in C4 cycle, pepcase you remember pepcase enzyme is only present in mesophyll. In C4 plant, which cell show the presence of Rubisco? So that you remember bundle sheath cell show the presence of Rubisco. And these two cells we are showing because of the presence of dimorphism in chloroplast. So this much things you remember for comparatively for the C3 and C4 cycle. And student, अब मैं होप करती हूँ कि जो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूजन्स होते हैं C3 एंड C4 साइकिल्स में कि कैसे रिकॉल करना है, किसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एक्सेप्टर क्या है, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट एक्सेप्टर ऑफ CO2 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एक्सेप्टर, what is the stable compound. So all these confusions may be overcome by this session. And again if you have any doubts and queries तो आप freely मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं. Any new topic, chapter और any paragraph से related कुछ भी queries हैं, so you again mention those queries and doubts in comment box. New students जिन्होंने आज से join किया है उनको again मैं कहूँगी कि they subscribe my video, like my channel, and by that time जब तक एक न्यू आपको न्यू वीडियो हम शेयर करते हैं, by that time आप चैनल के साथ कनेक्टेड रहिए. स्टे मोटिवेटेड एंड स्टे पॉजिटिव.